we hope to accomplish here today is a simulation of what the Vande scales automatic case labeling system includes. We have a portion of the necessary components here today. We have an in-motion conveyor scale. We have our controller with an SDS 5000. We have our print and apply, and we have our various scanners. To explain the operation, your case would travel onto a conveyor, onto our in-feed here of the in-motion conveyor scale, and your cases would have a pre-ident on them. The pre-ident tells the system what is in this case. That's the important part of it. As it travels on, you will see a scanner mounted here that will read that pre-ident and send that information to the SDS 5000 for creating the label. As it travels onto the scale, the in-motion conveyor scale here with this indicator will catch the weight as it's traveling in motion and on down the line. The weight is also sent to the SDS 5000. When the case is traveling onto the in-motion conveyor scale, the scanner reads this pre-ident on this box, which tells it what is in this case for your system. Now, as the case is traveling on, you'll see a photo eye here on the in-motion conveyor scale. And what this photo eye does is tells us we are about to start weighing. And as the box travels, it opens up, weighs the product, and on the other end of the scale, we have the other photo eye that tells it to stop weighing. In this distance, we catch the weight of this product, which is legal for trade. What we've done now is our box has been read by the pre-ident scanner. It has traveled across the in-motion conveyor scale. All of the information has been sent to the SDS 5000, and the label is ready to be printed. And here's our label. This label will be tamped onto the side of the box and proceed on down the line for verification. This is the print and apply that we'll be using on this application. It's quite unique. It has an all-electric applicator. It does not use air due to the fact that this application will be in a freezer at about minus 18 degrees. What we've also done is we've built a shroud around the label roll. We have a heater down in this enclosure, and what we're doing is we're keeping it approximately as close to 60 degrees as what we can to keep the labels warm and so that we can print on them quite easily. And then we also have room to store additional rolls of label, keeping them warm as well. Now for the final component of the process, we have our case that is labeled, and we have our pre-ident that we read to get this information for this case label. The verification scanner can serve two purposes. One, it'll read a label. If it can read this barcode here, we know that we have a readable label, and the label can go on down for palletizing. The other thing that we've been doing recently is comparing the pre-ident to the case label with the SDS 5000, making sure that we have the correct label on the correct box. This is very important in plants where it's possible you could have taken a box off the line and you have a box going out with the wrong label on it.